Alright, next we're going to install these Biltwell Alumicore grips. Let's see if I can do this. So we went ahead and we put in one thread past the nylock nut right here. And we just tighten that up with the star, with the T, and then with the 1/2 inch wrench. Dang. See if it doesn't work. Throw this stuff off. Down one more time. Then we're gonna go ahead and install these new grips. Alright. These are already in there. You want to make sure to have the fatter piece on the bottom, like so. That way it locks in there, because the top piece is that's also gonna hold this in place. Alright, just like this. And if you're having trouble squeezing it in there, just go ahead and slide it in there like this. Put that up against it and then slide it down in there like that. That's pretty much tight. Now let's go over to the throttle side. Alright, so now that we have the camera set up, go to listen this. I was having trouble with the clutch side grip, mainly because of the housing, the switch housing. It was difficult to get the grip out of there. I had to loosen up the clutch lever just so I could have enough room to be able to tilt that clutch, that grip, the twist grip, just to get it out. This is probably something you guys are gonna have to do as well. If you're unable to tilt the grip out of the housing, maybe try loosening up the clutch lever bolts or bracket itself, where the brake fluid is sitting at. Loosen that up. Try to tilt it all together. That way, you can get that twist grip out. When installing the new grip, same thing. Look out for the housing Because what happened with me, I was banging into the housing switch, and I thought I was doing something wrong. Just look out for that, guys. Another thing, look out for the twist grip housing when you're installing the new grip. Make sure it's fully seated on that twist grip sensor. And this is where I started installing the new grip. This is me looking into the teeth, seeing it. I'm wondering why it's not latching, why it's not grabbing. And you can see it right here if you look closely. I'm hitting the switch housing. And I believe this is when I realized, oh, this is the issue right here. I can't, the reason why it's not, when I'm twisting it, it's not going back to where it's supposed to. And there it is. That's when it finally got in there. And that's when you know, when you twist it and it returns, that's when you know it's in there properly. Alright, we're almost finished now. And then for the final piece, that's how you install Alumicore grips. Wow, that took a minute. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment on the bottom. See what you guys think. Thanks for watching.